Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Jim Pumasagad Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatingin natin na nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of October 18 hanggang October 24 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalaing ka ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig nag-uumapaw ang bumalik na blessing sa'yo. Diba? At umpisahan na natin ang totoong laban. Angel Spirit Messages for the sign of Libra. So, ano ang pinaka-message sa'yo ng ating mga gabay? There is a Four of Cups. Re-evaluate or analyze, no? May mga bagay na bago mo tanggapin ang isang offer, kailangan mo muna pag-iisipan. At the same time, there's a Page of Wands, a good news, a new fresh ideas. Ibig sabihin dito may magandang balita na maghahatid sa'yo. And of course, there's a the Full card, a leap of faith, no? And of course, there's a new beginning coming in for you. Para siyang may hawak na diamond that represent is being you. No? You are being a diamond, shining, shimmering splendor. Ganon. And of course, there's a judgment. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, there's a wake up call for you, no? Kumbaga ginigising ka na sa katotohanan at the same time, no? Parang, this is the time. Parang sinasabi na, this is your time. And of course, there's a Knight of Swords na magiging mabilis ang eksena to with the High Priestess. There's a mystery behind, or sinasabi dito, there's information na parang a shocking surprises. So, what is additional messages for the Four of Cups? There's a King of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, stability and control. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, bago mo tanggapin yung isang offer, kailangan puno yung decision mo, no? Kumbaga, kailangan decisionado ka, kumbaga hindi ka nagkakaroon ng alinlangan, kumbaga ganon. Kontrolado mo. So, what is the Page of Wands? There's a the Sun card, a good news that brings you a success. So, ito na yung balita na to, no? Some of you, Libra, happy birthday, no? And of course, sa mga belated happy birthday and advance happy birthday po. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. And of course, there's a slow and steady. Ibig sabihin dito, panatiliing kalmado. No? Kumbaga, there's a step by step. Hindi mo kailangan maging padalos-dalos. And of course, there's a Ten of Wands. There's a relocation. Some of you makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon mo. Kumbaga, may paglipat, 'di ba? Or may mabibili ka ng bahay, sasakyan or something na makakapag-travel ka na, no? Or makakalipat ka na. And of course, there's some Emperor. Or some of you guys, there's being a boss, no? Kumbaga, nandito sa'yo ay aha moment. Kumbaga, nasa sa'yo yung alas, no? Pero of course, there is a Chariot card. Maraming parating na the shocking news. And of course, the surprises. So, what is the Four of Cups? And of course, the King of Wands. And of course, guys, there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership, no? It's a partnership, yung ibig sabihin dito, guys, i-evaluate mo, i-analyze mo muna, ibig sabihin getting to know each other, di ba? Hindi ka pwedeng humarot kagad basta-basta, kailangan tignan mo muna kung itong tao na to, di ba? It's deserving ba? Or some of you, kumbaga, matured enough? Or sinasabi dito na, kumbaga nakakakita ko dito na napaka-masculine energy. Or you are being a masculine Libra. No? So let's see what is the Page of Wands and the Sun card. There's a Devil energy. See? May good news and of course the Sun card of pure positivity. But wait, there's more. There's a Devil energy. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, there's an information na kumbaga naliwanagan ka na, no? Nalaman mo na kung sining toxic, sining taong gumagawa behind your back. So, kumbaga, and of course, there's an addiction or some of you, there's a temptation, no? Let's see what is the meaning of the Devil card. Bakit lumabas siya sa good news and of course the success? Bakit? hinaharang ba nito or something? And of course, sinasabi na Ace of Cups and of course the Empress card, no? Ibig sabihin dito, may babae dito guys or kumbaga may babae ditong sinasabi na naiipit ka sa sitwasyon kasi parang there's a third party involved, no? Kumbaga mayroong taong gumagawa behind your back, no? Kumbaga some of you, the Ace of Cups is the new romantic cycle, of course the revert and the Empress card. Kumbaga parang pinapakita dito na parang naiipit ka sa sitwasyon at bakit ganto ganyan kasi meron palang involvement na third party dito at the same time, no? Kumbaga may lihim palang may gusto sa person mo or some of you itong babae na to ay may lihim na may gusto sa person mo. Now or some of you baka ginagawa ng gayuma, the devil energy, no? Kaya maging maingat. So what is the full card in the Knight of Wands? There's a Five of Swords. Okay, sinasabi dito na matatapos na yung stress mo, no? Kumbaga matatapos na anxiety and depression mo dito. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na magtiwala ka kay God, magtiwala ka sa process of progress. And of course, what is the judgment at the Ten of Wands? And of course, there's a Knight of Cups. And of course, there's a Queen of Swords. There's an information or visions, no? Kumbaga ito nabivisualize mo na there's an offer coming in for you na magdadala sa'yo ng relocation or something on new house. So, what is the Emperor and the Knight of Swords? And of course, there's a Five of Cups, no? There's a regret or some of you guys, no? Kumbaga, being emperor, nasa sa'yo yung tamang alas or nasa sa'yo yung alas at maaaring pinagsisisihan ng mga tao sa paligid mo, yung mga taong mga bagay na ginawa nila sa'yo. So, what is the High Priestess and the Chariot card? And of course, there's a Three of Cups. No, maraming parating na selebrasyon. At the same time, there's a King of Swords. Maging wais ka, no? Hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng bongga sa iyong birthday, no? Kung kaya mo naman i-celebrate yan with your own family, no? So, let's see. Parang gusto ko pang i-clear out to. And of course, there's a Page of Wands, the Sun card, the Devil card, the Ace of Cups. And of course, there's an Empress card. I want to clear this out. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a Ten of Pentacles. Kumbaga, in reverse, ibig sabihin dito, there's this kumbaga, this stability. Kumbaga, parang wala sa connection nyo ng family, parang gano'n. Parang sinasabi sa inyo dito na may sumasaw-saw sa inyong pamilya. Gano'n, something. So, let's see what is the outcome. What is the outcome? What is the outcome? What is the outcome? There's a Queen of Cups, ani healing. No, magkakaroon ka na raw ng healing dito in the Tower moment as sudden changes, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, may pagbabago dito na magdadala sa'yo ng healing and of course, the Knight of Pentacles being a practicality and security about sa finances. At the same time, there's an Eight of Cups. There's a moving forward, no? Parating sa isang nagliliwanag na kumbaga parang nag-uumaga, parang gano'n, parang may sisinag na panibagong bukas. Parang gano'n yung sinasabi dito. And of course, there's a power of the deck, there's a Nine of Cups, there's a wish fulfillment. Alam mo, ang ganda ng reading mo, pero there's an information dito na parang may sumasapaw, no? May sumasapaw dito at mukhang mayroong eksenang naiipit ka sa sitwasyon or something na naiipit yung person mo sa... Kumbaga, there's information na what is the additional messages, the Yin and Yang Oracle card? And of course, there's a spy. Sabi ko na yun. There's a spying watching, look at you, no? Kumbaga, mayroon sumusubaybay sa inyo. At the same time, there's an empathy breakthrough, no? Nasa sayo pa rin yung huling halakhak. At the same time, there's triggers, conflict, no? Mayroon talagang disharmony dito and of course, conflict. Yung nagbibigay komplikado sa inyo. There's a family issues dito na mukhang may lihim or may something na nagugulo sa pamilya nyo or may gusto sa person mo or may gusto sa iyo, ganon. So, or some of you, there's a cross-watcher out there na napapanood mo to na mukhang magre-reflect to sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Love Oracle card represent as sunglasses. So, some of you parang sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, there's a stalking and of course, looking at you. Addiction, sabi ko na eh. Meron ditong tao na kumbaga possession or may lihim na kumbaga may gusto sa person mo, or there's an information na parang malakas ang tama nito sa person mo or tama sa'yo, no? Parang ganon. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. And of course, wow, my goodness, there's an 888. Are you focused on, as you focus on the wonderful things that surrounds you, you're clearing the path for more positive energy to flow into all areas of your life and creating a place for abundance. So, ibig sabihin dito, may potential ka for abundance dito at magkakaroon ka na masaganang bukas at masaganang buhay. My goodness, ang ganda ng reading mo guys ha. Kumbaga, my God, there's a long-term success and long-term investment. At the same time, meron talagang sisingit dito na there's a negativity. Pero there's a family talaga, no? May pamilya talaga dito na something na may sumasapaw sa pamilya mo, naiinggit sa pamilya mo. And because there's a trouble, no? Meron trouble dito. Siguro lilipat kayo kasi meron talaga ditong humaharot sa person mo or humaharot sa'yo or something. No, and of course, parang ayaw masira yung pamilya mo. And of course, there's a bittersweet. Kumbaga, pagkatapos ng pait, may tamis ng tagumpay. And of course, there is a destiny. No? Kumbaga talaga nakatadhana, no? Nasa kapalaran nyo talaga ang magkaroon ng magandang bukas. So, what is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Work through your fears. No? Labanan mo rin takot at pangamba mo. And meditation and contemplate. No, kailangan nyo mag-meditate. And of course, mag-contemplate at the same time. Let's see what is additional messages. Let's see what is additional messages. And blame. Wala ka ibang sisisihin kundi sarili mo sa lahat ng bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. So, double blame mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, dalawang ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga mayroong pagsisisi or meron ditong panghihinayang or something, no? Or meron ditong kumbaga sisisihin mo talaga yung sarili mo kung bakit ka nandiyan sa sitwasyon mo, parang ganon. Siguro naiipit ka sa sitwasyon dahil ikaw din yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo na yan. No? There's a responsibilities for your well-being. No? So let's see what is the Romance Angels. And of course, there's a codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. So, some of you may addictions talaga dito, no? Obsession or something, possessions. So, ibig sabihin dito, it's either addictions for sexual or something. Or some of you, addiction for alam nyo na yun, no? So, what is additional messages? And of course, there is, you're not alone, no? Isolation. Hindi ka raw nag-iisa dito, no? And of course, there is a surrender to the sweetness, no? There's a Venus energy, pleasure, joy, and make to love life. So, ibig sabihin dito, may kaligayahan talaga at kaliwanagan dito at muli ka magmamahal, no? At sinasabi siya, ang pagmamahal talaga ang magiging susi sa inyong tagumpay. And of course, there is some love. I told you, there is a love involvement. No, there is a love. And of course, there's a spirituality. Additional messages. And of course, there's a change. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mo nang baguhin. May mga bagay na na-create mo o nagawa mo na maaaring pinagsisihan mo. No? So, ibig sabihin dito, you created the situation and you have the power to change it. And of course, man holding a coin. So, some of you, kumbaga ikaw ang may hawak ng finances o yung person mo may hawak ng finances. And of course, there's the door to romance. No? May pintuan daw talaga pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. No? And of course, let's see what is what is Archangel Michael. What is Archangel Michael? Get more information. And let go of fear now. Alisin mo daw yung takot at pangamba mo. No? And of course, there's a believe and trust. Maniwala ka at magtiwala ka na hindi, siguro naranasan mo yan at nararanasan mo yan that because may lesson na ibibigay sa si God. So, what is Archangel Raphael? Organic food. Some of you, kailangan nyo ng mga organic foods, mga vegetables, and of course, ng mga gulay-gulay, no? Para tumaas ang fiber niya sa katawan. So, what is additional messages? And of course, sinasabi dito ni Jesus loving quotes, let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and glorify your Father which is in the heaven. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, hayaan mong mamayagpag ka, no? Hayaan mo yung mga gawa mo ang magpapakilala sa iyo, no? At mga bagay na yan yung magbibigay ng signature, no? At parang tatatak ka sa tao na yan, no? Sa mga tao sa paligid mo dahil sa katangian mo. Hindi ko sinabing katangian mo dahil sa ginawa mong negativity or something, ha. Pero sinasabi dito, there's an information na tatatak ka sa tao dahil sa kabutihan mo. So let's see what is the messages of life. Searching within. So, sinasabi dito, guys, what I see outside myself is simply a mirror of my inner self. Today, I empower myself by looking past outer condition and searching within for my source of difficulty in my life. My inner wisdom will always help me face life challenges. It provides my best answer and my greatest healing. As I study myself, I am transformed. Parang binabago mo ni sarili mo sa lahat ng mga natutunan mo, lahat ng naranasan mo. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumbaga kaya mong makagawa ng isang bagay at kaya mo rin makaalis sa sitwasyon mo na mismong ikaw din ang may gawa o ikaw din may akda, 'di ba? Kumbaga nandito yung kasaganahan, nandito yung aha moment. So you need to release the negativity, also devil energy. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of October 18 hanggang October 24 for the sign of Libra. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik diglig na umapaw ang bumalik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo. Kung asan kayo sulok ng mundo para sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na at baka history mo na or historia ng buhay mo na ang masagap at mahagilap ng ating mga gabay. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!